What did I miss? Brian and Reese here, and we got very little to no sleep.
About what, 2.5, maybe 3 hours?
I got 4 hours of sleep.
Must be nice.
Currently, we are waiting for Kenny and his cousin to meet us at a Walmart because we're heading to Cars and Coffee in Dallas. It is 5:53 in the morning, and we are tired as shit. Oh, look who it is. It's them.
Finally showed up. You ready to go check out some nice cars?
You ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's get it, boys.
Let's get to it. Pretty dark right now, but Reese and I are here.
What's up, guys?
And we met up with Kenny and his cousin. Oh, yeah, Stabilizer Gang. That's what's up. Stabilizer Gang. Yeah. Yo, baby blue Gallardo. What the sh is this? Ooh, one day. One day. So this demon was doing a burnout, and the bits of tire and rubber kind of flew into that yellow Camaro. So this is the aftermath. You could see the bits of rubber on the concrete, and here we got more bits of rubber in the front. Oh joy. Rip my ears. I can't hear shit. You and I have been to this Cars and Coffee on Labor Day. What do you think of this one compared to last time?
I think the difference between this one and the other is people are more open to revving their cars. It's freaking loud out here right now, so a lot of fun. A lot more video and footage that I'm able to get, but yeah, man, these cars are loud, bad.
Oh, Kenny.
What's up, man?
What do you think of the turnout at this Dallas Cars and Coffee?
Feel it, man. There's burnouts and rev battles, man. It's awesome, dude.
Andy, what are your thoughts on your first time at Cars and Coffee?
Man, this is sick. I'm coming here every month from now on, bruh.
You going every month now?
Hell yeah, every month.
All right. As great as this meet is, I don't think I can come here every month because that would be a 3-hour drive just to get to Dallas and then back to Houston. My ears hurt, but it's safe to say that this was a great turnout at Cars and Coffee in Dallas, Texas. I think that's enough cars for today. We've been out here since 6 a.m. and it's like 9 right now. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you're subscribed, thanks. If you're not, thanks for watching. So take care, everyone. I'll catch you on the flip side.